In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check grammar in Grammarly 2020. Check grammar online for free. Smart HR. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get quick, reliable grammar and spelling checks in your browser using the free web editor. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Grammarly and press enter. Look for the official Grammarly result and click through to the site. This takes you to their home page where you can access the web editor. Once you're there, choose Start New Document to open a blank page. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead. The free plan is enough for grammar and spelling checks. Now, paste the text you want to review into the new document. Grammarly begins analyzing your writing automatically. There's nothing else you need to click. Within a moment, you'll see underlines and suggestions appear directly in your text. Take a moment to review what Grammarly highlights. You'll typically see fixes for grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and sentence structure issues. Each underline is clickable. When you select one, a small card appears with a suggested correction and a brief explanation of why it's recommended. This context helps you understand the rule, not just apply it, which is great for learning as you go. To apply a fix, simply click the suggestion and it will replace the highlighted text. If you'd rather make the change yourself, edit the text directly, Grammarly will recheck it instantly. If a suggestion doesn't fit your meaning or voice, you can ignore it and move on. The goal is to balance correctness with your personal style. Keep an eye on the panel on the right side of the screen. This panel shows how many issues remain and organizes them by type, so you can see your progress at a glance. As you apply fixes, the number of alerts will drop. When that panel shows no more issues, your document is clear of the errors Grammarly detected. That's the entire process. Search for Grammarly, open the web editor, start a new document, paste your text, review the suggestions, click each underline to accept or manually correct, and watch the right side panel to confirm everything's polished. With these steps, you can check grammar online for free, quickly tighten your writing, and feel confident about what you publish or submit. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!